You wake up early in the morning and when you check your phone, you realize that no monetization for your video. When you go to the email or your text message, no text message, no email from YouTube say that no monetization for your channel. What are you going to do from there? But the easy way is, guys, I'm going to tell you one by one how you can solve that problem if you got that issue for your YouTube channel. Normally it just happens for a lot of people, especially if you get monetization for last 2 years to 3 years or 1 year ago and you don't perform good. Normally YouTube, they start checking those small channels, they start pick up now, and 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, they start checking one by one. If your channel is not performing good, they have to make sure, are you still on this channel or not? So one morning when you wake up and you see like no monetization, no email or no text on your screen, so on that time there was something very simple you can do and solve all the problem. Normally YouTube, what they do when they're going to do something, they might send you a notice or they will give you some sign on your YouTube account. On that time you follow, they say follow this link. Special when you got a problem like that, it's easy to solve. Thank you very much, guys. Okay guys, please and please, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe, like and comment, and don't forget to share and comment our video. You can check the last video I upload, guys. Is going to help you for your all problem you got, especially if you see like YouTube they don't recommend your video or YouTube they don't drop your monetization. Okay, thank you very much, guys. Please and please, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe, like and comment. Thank you, guys. I always say the same thing. If you're a new YouTuber, all the time go to your setting, check all your setting of your YouTube account to make sure everything is set perfect. Otherwise you are going to lose your monetization. Normally YouTube now they start checking all the time about this small YouTuber, they start coming now. If you know you're a small YouTuber and you get monetization lasting 1 year or 2 years, then your setting is not set well. YouTube normally they are going to drop no monetization, but you can get back your monetization. What you do normally when YouTube they drop your monetization, is not a big problem. Firstly, what you do appeal for your that monetization, asking to give you monetization back. But before you didn't the monetization back, go to your setting, check all those settings, how your setting working. First you can start and checking your, go to your YouTube on setting and come here to the, come to your channel. When you came to your channel, go straight away to feature eligibility. Click on feature eligibility. After clicking feature eligibility, you are going to see number 1 is standard feature, number 2 interdated feature, number 3 advanced feature. You have to check all one by one what is inside there. When you check the standard features, where you are going to see video uploaded, playlist creation, add collaboration to the playlist, add new video to the existing playlist. Again, on requirement you are going to see channel is free for active community guidelines strict. So this channel is active with community strict. So on that time, if your channel is like this channel they put strict on this or not, you are going to see from here. Number 2, you came here international features. When you came to international feature, again you click here. When you click here, you are going to see here what the channel is. Find the new way to engage your audience and build your personal brand with worldwide set as features. After that, you came here to the bottom, you say video longer than 15 minutes, content thumbnail, live stream. Again you came to the other side where I saying requirement is standard features eligible, and under verification verify phone number. You have to tick all these things to be active. After that, came here to the bottom, then you click to the eligibility again. When you click here, you are going to see advanced features. To the advanced features, guys, you are going to see like expand your reach on YouTube and pay on with the 3 advanced features. So on here you came to appeal contact ID claim, then you came to create more live streaming daily. You came here to upload more video daily, create more short daily, embed live stream, external link in video description, test it and compare affected thumbnail, eligibility of play for monetization. Then after that you came to the other side, requirement. To the requirement you check like international feature embed, add one of one. You go to video verification, you go valid ID, channel history. Again on the bottom you can see here your ID will be deleted automatically from Google within 2 years. You see, within 2 years from your Google ad, within 2 years it is usually deleted in a few months after you are building substance channel history, or after one year if you haven't used advanced features line. So this is the problem. Once you start this one, after that you get to save. When you go to save, you know everything you check as the way it's supposed to be. So when you finish on that one, you have to come and check here on upload features. Is there anything you need to change from here? When it say no, you go to advanced setting. On advanced setting you have to check, is it standard YouTube license? Make sure your license is standard, or whatever it is you have to tell them. So on that you go to the next one, people under blogs. So if it's people under vlogs, you tell them. If not, you have to find eligible things that you are doing. Like here you can go and say like education or entertainment or car and vehicle, comedy, all the things you are doing, gaming, home style, music, whatever you are doing, you check from here. Sport, travel, advanced, whatever it is, select it from here. So if you are here on entertainment, you go to the entertainment. If it is for entertainment, if for education, you go for education. So if you go here on education, you tick on the education. You came here to what language you use for your videos. If it's English, you tick English. If it's another language, you select the language you are just to speak on your video. After that, you came here on none of this. It means like nothing from all this. Then after that, you leave this one the way it is. Then you came here the title and the description language. If your title of description of your video is Arabic, English, whatever it is, you tick that one. If not, you find that language you're speaking. In case if it's English, you write English, you go to English. They just ask you, is it English, English Australia, English Canada, English India, English Ireland, English United Kingdom, English United States, or any other language. But me, I'm going to select English United Kingdom. So on this one, you tick this one, English United Kingdom. You keep coming down here. After that, you're going to again to the community. When you check to the community, if anything you have to change from here, you check from here. You start to the top, managing. After that, you go to standard moderator, you go to improvement. All these things we don't need to do, all this gray. So you go on live directed. So on live, it is all other creator to send either views or any show live, anything you want to the live stream, prima, or this you tick anything from here. You go more and read on this one. But for now, we don't want to do that. You came here, all channel can direct my content, yes, or you go here, channel that subscribe can direct it to my content. So channel they subscribe, they can direct your content, or you can go all channels, they can direct your content. So it just depends like the one you are going to select it by yourself. Okay, it just depends like the one you're going to tick. So on this one, and you came here, you check this one, add your direction, or you go to the people, you block them, all this you remove from your live stream. When you go to your live stream, you go on this one. After that, you tick from here, or you came here to the creator, the demographic. When you came here to the directed to demographic, you check here, helping make YouTube more inclusive. So on this one, you say that helping you better understand the demographic and the identity information of creator and the active community on YouTube. So if you need, you tick this one, but for now it's not eligible. creator demographic, you just came here to the bottom, say provide this information is option. You might delete your answer at the anytime. Information that you provide will be used to important your content channels and perform in YouTube. So if you tick here take survey, then it continue from there. So we have to leave the way it is. We came here to the promotion. If you go any promotion, you are going to get paid on that on your videos, then you click this one. If you don't have, you leave the way it is. Again, you came here agreement between you and YouTube. Here is the agreement. That's why there was nothing on here. So on this one, you leave the way it is, then you go save. On the money sign, this sign, you are not going to see anything from here because they've already know that money. You see here next milestone on standard earning journey. So this money from YouTube is just a stop. So even the watching hour, they stop from there, everything they stop. So nothing is working from here. So on this channel, everything they have been banned, they don't going to use anymore. So external link card and that screen. So anything you are going to see, copyright match tools, all these things are not going to work. So make sure when you came from here, so you don't need to change anything as long as no money. But this one, you can start making money on this, but not now. We are going to talk that video next time. So thank you very much, guys. And you see how I will just try to show you. And make sure, guys, if you got that problem, go to your setting, check your email. If you get any email from YouTube, try to reply that email. And normally YouTube, what they do, the first 14 days they will just give you appeal. After that, again, you can just appeal again for 1 month. Again, after 1 month, if you didn't get any appeal, first try to setting, just to do your setting. After that, that's the time you can start doing all this appeal. So once you finish all those things, wait after 14 days or 1 month, you're going to get a feedback from YouTube. They can tell you, okay, you can continue with your YouTube or what. But make sure all the time you be active for your YouTube, start uploading video and check all your settings. Thank you very much, guys. Please, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe, like and comment, and don't forget to turn on notification bell for more updated video. Guys, upload some video, you can go and check those videos to the description. So guys, see you next video. Bye bye.